The Hanover County Courthouse Historic District is filled with a ton of history, including the Hanover Tavern. The present tavern building was restored by the Hanover Tavern Foundation and dates from 1791 with early 19th century and late 20th century additions. It's listed on the Virginia Landmarks Register and the National Register of Historic Places. At this very tavern, attorney Patrick Henry practiced law and argued the Parsons cause. During the Revolutionary War, French officers enjoyed the hospitality here, referring to the tavern as a tolerable handsome inn with a large salon and covered portico. Over the years, celebrated guests such as General George Washington, Chief Justice John Marshall, Edgar Allan Poe, P.T. Barnum, Charles Dickens, and many others visited this roadside fixture. During the Civil War, the tavern turned into a home for refugees fleeing the Union Army. Two such boarders were Margaret White and her husband John. While living at the tavern, Margaret kept a diary.
She recorded all kinds of occurrences here at the tavern, so she was reporting in her diary about things that were happening all over during the Civil War.
In 1800, 7 enslaved people from Hanover Tavern took part in the planning of the slave insurrection known as Gabriel's Rebellion. And if you watched our Martha Ann Fields episode, you remember she also worked here at the tavern. Today, the tavern offers educational and historical programs, a full-service restaurant and pub, a modern 150-seat theater, and a host of other activities. The Hanover Tavern has been a vibrant center of community life for almost 300 years.